Let's unbox the HJC RPHA 1 Jerez GP edition with the Red Bull livery. Let's do it. Okay, so let's have a look what we get in the box. Obviously, flagship, top of the range helmet from HJC. So first up, little accessories pouch inside. We've got pin lock, of course, and some tear-offs too. Okay, next. Now, we've done an unboxing on a RPHA 1 before and people didn't believe us, but in here isn't a visor, it is an extended rear spoiler. I'm not gonna open that because it is tagged up for use, but absolutely awesome to give it that full MotoGP look. Pop that down. Okay, so before we get to the helmet, what else have we got in the box here? Some additional accessories. We're gonna show you everything in this video. Okay, so we've got some stickers and documentation, along with a chin curtain there as well. Pop that down. I believe this one is just for box reinforcement, so nothing in there. Okay, moment of truth. Let's grab the lid. Pop the box out of the way. All right, let's see what we've got here. Obviously, nice, fresh helmet bag here. Really, really top quality one as well, as you would expect. So, pull the drawstring open. Let's see what's inside. The big reveal. Ooh, wow, look at that. This is awesome. If you're a Red Bull fan, this is the lid. Just take a look at that. Enjoy that for a moment. Absolutely fantastic sort of satin or matte finish there. Really, really tasty looking helmet this. Yeah, I think this is a bit of me. Obviously, all of the features that you would expect from a RPHA 1, so it's super, super comfortable, loads of aero and vents and things like that. Honestly, a fantastic flagship product. You can use it on the road, of course, with ECE 2206 approval, but it is also FIM approved for race use. So you can see with that extended spoiler as well, would be even bigger. Absolutely fantastic. Let us know what you think of this in the comments and if you plan to pick one up.